So before we go any further, I thought I'd let you guys kind of know what we're actually installing today on my Nissan 350z. There in my hands, got myself a Pioneer double DIN head unit for the Nissan 350z. I think it's kind of universal, basically supports any double DIN. Yeah, it supports Android, supports iPhone, so Apple CarPlay, also supports a reversing camera, so we do install a reverse camera today, as well as this brand. It's not actually brand new, actually. This is actually a used Pioneer double DIN head unit. I think I got it on eBay for, I think, around about £140. And as you can tell, with all my videos lately, this video was actually from like 4 years ago, or maybe 5 years ago. It's pretty crazy. Like, finally uploading videos from like 4 to 5 years ago. Pretty crazy. But hopefully we can get them kind of turned around in somewhat of a quick fashion. You know, I never actually spoke about what we're actually installing. I said, you know, we're installing a new head unit and stuff like that, but I never actually told you like what it actually was. Well, it actually was what we're actually installing. But yeah, that's basically what we are. And I can't believe this still frame, of all still frames to choose from, it's me with about 4 chins. Jesus Christ, man. I mean, look at you, your blonde hair. This is like 4 or 5 years ago. Me and my blonde hair. I couldn't have chosen a worse still frame for this commentary. But anyway, want to give you guys a little bit of background on what we're installing. Enjoy the video. You probably are sick. I mean, I do not look good in this photo. But anyway, enjoy. And yeah, have fun. Have fun. No, just stop talking, Matt. Enjoy, guys. Continue.
Yeah. Woo! So I've just dropped the car off at the garage and they all seem very friendly, welcoming and all that kind of stuff, which is really good sign. And the guys were like, whoa, like this Nissan is honestly amazing, it looks fantastic, hardly been used. Well, to be honest, it's done 27,000 miles in very good condition. And yeah, so this morning I'm about to head off to Costa to get some drinks. Get some drinks, why am I saying plural? Going to Costa to get a drink. And then I'm probably going to pop to Halfords to buy some more, you know, cleaning products for the car. And then probably going to head over to like Costco, walk around, and maybe get some food. Because the guy did say it's going to take maybe like 4 hours or so. So yeah, it's going to be quite a long day, but I'm very excited about it. The guy seems to be really happy with the car. And yes, I'm just here, just chilling at the moment, ready to leave for Costa to get a drink, Halfords to basically browse, but maybe get some more cleaning products, and then go Costco to look around. I want to buy my dad like a new golf bag. I need to buy a few other things as well. But no, today should be a pretty good day. So we're about to evolve this wonderful Chansey, however you like to pronounce it. Anyway, let's go here. Let's press evolve to the ultimate beast of a gym Pokemon. Here we go. What is it going to be? I think the multiplier is like 2.5 or 3 times, so it should be near 3,000, I think. I might be wrong. Let's just find out. Here we go. Oh, a Blissey, perfect for the gyms and all that kind of stuff. Here we go. Right. Oh. Register to the Pokedex, nice, here we go, Oh, what? Only 1800? 1808? It's got pound and dazzling gleam. I think that's a normal moveset. But look at that HP. 312 HP. That's mad. Okay, right. So what we need to do is power this guy up. But I think I'm going to wait for a few more candies and do that later on, I guess. We have a 10k egg just evolved. What is it? Just evolved, Matt? Just hatched. A 10k egg just hatched. Oh. Oh, very nice, very nice. A Larvitar. So we're just at the Medeski Stadium at Reading. We've just finished off at Costco, had lunch. Now what we're doing is potentially heading in to central Reading, because there's about another 2 to 3 hours wait until the radio's been installed into the car. So yes, we're going to basically pop into Reading now, I guess, like central Reading, just taking down like a level 8 Pokemon gym at Medeski, which took forever. It took like over half an hour. We've done it. Team Yellow for the win. And yeah, time to like head into town centre, I guess. So it looks like Matt from the past, from about 5 years ago. So this video was recorded, guys, about 5 years ago. And obviously I'm just editing it and uploading it right now. And I've just noticed that I never kind of showed you the before, like the OEM head unit, as well as never really showed you a quick comparison between the two. And I never really gave you like my reasoning behind this, and also kind of like my first impressions, right? So obviously on the screen right now, you guys can see the old head unit. It's a picture of mine, I think actually the day of me collecting the car, hence like me being on the passenger side of things. But the old head unit was pretty good. It had a cassette player, wasn't great. It didn't really have an aux or anything, so if you wanted to play music, you had to use like a cassette player, and it was like, it was good, but I mean, who wants to use a cassette player with an aux cable? I mean, I never knew it was a thing, but apparently it was. My friend used to have it at school. And my friend used to have it at college, and it was pretty cool. And I used to use it, but I mean, I still don't know why Nissan, with a 2009 Nissan 350z HR edition, would have a cassette player. But anyway, that was one of the main reasons why I decided to upgrade. I had a 6 CD changer. Wow, 6 CD changer. Whoa, like, that was amazing. But I mean, who uses CDs, right? But anyway, that's kind of the main reason why I kind of upgraded to a new head unit. Now, looking at this, before I show you obviously what it looks like, the OEM head unit looks class. Like, it looks fantastic. I just wish I had an aux cable. If I had an aux cable, or an aux port, I should say, it would have been amazing. I probably would never have changed it. However, when you look at the new head unit, you're like, wow, it's completely different. It kind of transforms the car in a way where you're like, wowzer. Because obviously this is now a digital display, it's obviously touchscreen, supports Bluetooth, basically supports everything you want it to do. I don't think it has an aux cable, but it essentially had Bluetooth, you could plug in media via USB, it was very good. And at first, when I first saw it, at first, what you want to know, man? At first, when I first saw it, I was like, you know what, it looks great. I've always been kind of a bit skeptical with aftermarket double din or aftermarket radios, because sometimes it loses that kind of interior, you know what I mean? Like, you look at this and go, that looks great, but it's not OEM, and that's always what I've always loved OEM. But in a way, it kind of looks a bit like OEM plus. It looks like, you know, the fascia around it looks great, it modernizes the car, and overall I was pretty happy with it. So yeah, it's kind of like before and after, and hence why I upgraded, mainly for the Bluetooth and all that stuff, and obviously a reversing camera. Annoyingly, I never showed you what the reversing camera looked like, but it was very good. Basically, all I had to do was simply go into reverse on my gear stick, and then a moment later, the reverse screen would pop up, it would look great, and you know, I didn't have any rear sensors or anything on this car. But no, what you're about to see now is me actually upgrading the software, changing a splash image and all that stuff, but hopefully you're enjoying this video so far. It's one of those things where when you record from 5 years ago, I can only really use the footage I did from 5 years ago, hence why me trying to give some background, some context with kind of this commentary. But no, hopefully you're enjoying, hopefully Matt, hopefully you guys are enjoying the video and the video. Yeah, that's basically it. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the video so far, and yeah, now what you're about to see, guys, is me upgrading the head unit, which was actually pretty cool, actually. So enjoy. So what I thought I might show you before we end today's video is I'm about to do a firmware update. As you see, from version 1.08 to 1.14, so definitely an upgrade, right? From I don't know when this was last upgraded, but definitely time to upgrade this guy. And then we've got the USBs down here. I'm using my Sims free USB and USB port 1. We also have this USB, which will be used for something in a moment. I'm going to add a logo to the boot up menu, which would be pretty good. But anyway, right, here's the firmware update. I thought, why not, why not show you guys? So, blah, 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 give me some information. Let's press start. Oh, what's happening? Here we go. Oh, right. So, yeah, so this car has two USBs. We've got USB port 1, which is the port it needs, and that's for Apple CarPlay. And we've got USB port 2, which is for basically like multimedia, any other type of music. Oh, here we go, updating. Oh, look how, to be honest, this is really good quality in terms of what it is. So we've got, in my camera, there you go, my camera wasn't focusing. I was like, look at this really good quality, and you couldn't even see it. So it's updating 1%, might take, oh, now 2%. It's going to probably take a while, because we're updating from 1.08 to 1.14, which, should be a ton of fun. Hopefully the car battery doesn't die or anything like that, because we've simply just got, no engine or anything on. Literally, like, turn the key once, got enough power, and we're doing our first ever system update, which was very easy, really. And yeah, so like I said, this USB has basically this logo. So when this boots up and does the update and all that kind of stuff, apparently you can change the logo. It's called like a splash logo. And then what I will do is my plan is to plug this guy in, and you can search for a file, click on it, and then make it the boot up image. And I've done some Photoshop to make it look like, basically, is this image, but I've made the background transparent. So hopefully it's like a black background with just with the logo, and it should look pretty good. So currently it's on nearly 30%. So what I will do is I will come back to you guys once it's installed. Oh, 100% baby, woohoo! Update complete from version 1.08 to 1.14. System reset automatically in a little while. Awesome! That was easy. Right, so if you guys have this, all you do is briefly get a USB stick, reformat it to FAT32, and pretty much you just download the update, extract the files, put the files onto the USB stick, and that's it. That's that easy. Right, so once this it's now rebooting. It's going to be, interesting to see if like the graphics have changed or the settings have changed. I mean, I don't know what's really in these updates. If you guys know, please, I might actually look at the patch notes and see what it is. But what I believe, I guess it's just like, fixing bugs, maybe some new features and stuff. But yeah, so we're going to change this icon. So I think that icon will always stay, but like the pop-up will be interesting. So we're going to do that next. I'm going to get my USB ready for this. And let's see if I can notice anything different straight away. It just says off at the moment. Now we've got it turned on. That doesn't look too different. Anyway, now we need to make a quick change. Because apparently what you do is you go home, not home, that's off, settings. We then go down to, splash screen. Right, so I need to plug USB. Let me just plug this guy in quickly and then report back to you. It's so techy in here. We've got a USB, another USB. Then we've got like a fancy touchscreen, but another screen. The Nissan is definitely changing from the old days in a cassette player. But anyway, press this button. Now we need to go to settings. Let's go down to splash screen. Press this icon, USB. Huh? What? And none of the USB, why is the USBs not working? Because you can make it look all fancy, but I want to go. Oh, wait. Wait a minute. Hang on a sec. That USB there is, what do you call it? That's exFAT, and maybe it only supports FAT32. And this one has no images on it. But surely that should still work. Anyway, let me report back and see if I can fix this. Guys, I finally figured it out. It was quite simple actually. So if you actually go to settings and you go to splash screen, what you need is the USB to be FAT32, which obviously therefore this icon shows up, it's not grayed out. And when you go into here, See, USB 1 is now showing, whereas before it was both greyed out. I was like, why? Reason is, apparently the images, or the image for splash screen only supports JPEG and I think BNP. So if I go here, I can now see my copied JPEG image. If I click here, oh my days, that looks right. Let's press apply. Oh, I've never seen it like on this yet. Here we go. Apply, come on. But I think I've got to turn the car off and turn it back on again, but wait for it to apply. Oh my days. That looks amazing. Right. How does it take to apply? I mean, you know, we've been here. Oh, that's it. Right, okay. Let's get the key. Turn off. That's all turned off. Right, turn the key once. Oh my days, Nissan 350. Hang on a sec, that didn't focus for you guys. It wasn't focused. Let me try and get this on focus for you. Come on, focus for the guys. Come on, focus, focus, focus. Is it not turning on now? Why is this not turning on? Alright, let's put the key back in. One, here we go, here we go. Come on. What? There we go, the Nissan logo. How awesome is that? Then it has the Pioneer thing afterwards. But no. There we go, guys. That's how we did a system update, and we've changed the splash screen, which was awesome.
So once again, guys, for some strange reason, Matt from the past didn't do an outro. Don't know why, but Matt didn't do an outro. So here's me doing an outro to this video. Hopefully you have enjoyed today's video. It's been really fun actually editing all these old videos from the past. It's definitely bringing back some great memories. I think the next video might be a video of me talking about why I'm selling this car. Obviously, if you guys have seen a few videos of this already, I've already spoken about this briefly, that I no longer have the 350z, but I do have videos kind of talking about that. So I think that's going to be definitely the next video potentially. But no, it's been really, really fun. My goal still is to try and upload maybe like 2 videos a week, maybe 2-3 videos a week on the vlogging channel, and hopefully get to a point where we are close to being up to date, maybe like a year out of date, I don't know, but we have a lot of videos to upload, and the goal is to upload some of these car videos. I think after my next video, which will be like why I'm selling the Nissan 350z, is I do have like an old school like random Disney vlog on my phone. Might go and post that. I think that'd be pretty cool. But no, thank you guys for watching. If you have enjoyed today's video, then be sure to massive thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, comment what's regarding this. But anyway, guys, have a wonderful day, and as always in my next video, adios, chaps, boom. She's a diamond.